Another tasty quick bread recipe. I'm gonna have fun on this episode. We are bringing you guys this time a coconut cornbread with a honey lime butter. Sounds delicious, right? Wait until you see how I make this. I'm Chef Winston and welcome to Floribbean Cuisine. Let's get cooking. This cornbread recipe is gonna be really nice. I've done a lot of different cornbreads. Basically, this is another version of a quick bread. I was explaining what quick breads are. Basically like a batter bread. I've made zucchini breads, bacon fried cornbread. I've got this beautiful bacon banana bread that I made not too long ago. Check that recipe out as well. Click right here or check the description for that. But this particular one, we're gonna be doing something really cool. It's a coconut cornbread. It's gonna be very easy, very few ingredients, and very flavorful. And then we're gonna finish it off with a honey lime butter. This is gonna be a winner as well. Let's do this. So to get started, of course, we need to get our dry ingredients first. What I've got here is some flour and cornmeal. To that, we're gonna add some salt, baking powder, and we're gonna stir that in, get it here well combined. Just like that. Now, perfect. Switch this around. So this is our dry ingredients. Now I'm gonna make my wet ingredients. Wet ingredients gonna consist of, I've got 2 eggs here. Got a little shell came in, that's fine. Take that out. Mix this up here a little. And on top of that, we're gonna come with some coconut milk. Yes, building it, baby. Building this masterpiece, coconut milk. We've got some vanilla. I'm gonna put some agave. I'm using agave instead of honey for this. I will be using honey for my honey lime butter to finish this off with. And we can have some melted butter, of course. Smelling nice. Oh yes, get it here mixed up here. Very gently. Get it well combined. So, from here, also I forgot, I do have some brown sugar and white sugar for my dry ingredients. We're gonna work inside here as well. Perfect. And the coconut cornbread. I've got some coconut. We're gonna add to our wet mixture here. Then we're gonna fold all this in, combine all of this nicely. See how quick and easy that was? Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take our wet ingredients and pour it in to our dry ingredients. Leave a little bit behind just in case we don't need all of it. And what I'm gonna do next, we're gonna fold. See that? Fold in it. Very important when you're making batter breads or quick breads like this. You do not want to over mix it because you don't want a tough resulting bread. So what I like to do is just fold it in just like that. Add the rest of this. You'll take all of it. Now, as you can see, we do have some lumps in here. That is fine if you got lumps. Just get it mixed properly. If you see any dry patches, just give it as the dry patches. See, no dry patches. I'm turning and flipping over at the same time. It's beautiful, smell, oh so good so far. Coconut cornbread. All right, so now it's time to pan this up. So I've got me a nice little baking pan here for my batter. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some butter and I'm gonna start basting or wiping this butter, pasting this butter in this pan so it doesn't stick, number one, and also we added more flavor. So this is a softened butter. I'm just gonna get all of the crevices of this pan before we put it inside the oven and put the batter inside and put it in the oven. I've got the oven set at 375 degrees. This here is gonna be a nice one. Guys, please, if you like the content that I'm bringing to you, all of these fun recipes, my Floribbean style of doing things, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss one single episode. Every week I'm bringing you some fresh content. And please comment something you'd like to see me create, a cocktail, a dessert, a beef entree, a chicken entree, anything. Put it in the comments. Let me know. I'll be happy to make something up for you guys. So, I've got my nicely buttered pan. So now we're gonna start pouring. Pour it right in here. Perfect. Get all of this batter into your baking pan. You could use a cast iron pan if you like, or even muffin pans. This will come out really well with this too. Okay. Perfect. So this is what this would look like. This is gonna go straight into a 375-degree oven. Right into the oven, like I said. Oh yes. 375, let it cook for about 25-30 minutes. I'll check it in 20 to see where we're at. This is gonna be a nice one. Stay tuned. While that beautiful bread is there baking, we're gonna make our honey lime butter. First thing, we need some softened butter. I've got me a lime, and I'm gonna take some lime zest by scraping just like this here. I'm taking just the zest of it, not the white part. This is more flavor here for me, huh? You're getting flavor out of this zest. It gives you a nice, pungent, natural, citrusy flavor. That's what we're looking for. I'm gonna cut and get some juice out of it as well. Squeeze some juice in there. Oh, yeah. And then add to that some honey. Make it a little sweet. Then we need to mix all this up together. Perfect. And this is what's gonna mix it really good. This is what is gonna go over the cornbread and serve with the cornbread, of course. So this is what this looks like. Nice and creamy. Honey, lime, butter for the cornbread. Haha! Masterpiece coming up. This is gonna be a winner. Pop, pop, pop. You're gonna check out this here. It's been baking for about 25 minutes. Oh wow, looking good. Look at this. Feels like it's done, but to make sure that it's done, what you would do is this. You would get you a wooden screwer or a probe thermometer. I've got my internal thermometer that I use to test it out. Stick it inside. If it comes out clean, that means it's ready. So while I'm here with this, I'm gonna go ahead and poke some holes into this and start smearing my lime honey butter over this. As soon as it came out of the oven, that's what I'm gonna do here. Okay, so I'm gonna take my honey lime butter and smear this right over this. Let it get inside, in between, and then cracks in the crevices. The smell of this is so good. Coconut cornbread. Ay, ay, ay. So, with that, I'm gonna come behind this while that's doing that, and I'm gonna add some more coconut to this, just like that. Woo-wee. We're gonna let this cool a little bit before we dive into it. If you like the content I'm bringing to you guys, all this flavorful food, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll appreciate you for that. I'll be right back. Let this cool a little bit. So it is nice and cooled down. I got my honey lime butter. I slice this up a little bit. Oh yes. Let me get this slice. Feels moist. Looks really good. Good structure. Let's taste it now. Oh, it hits you. It kind of slips up on you. The flavors of this, the coconut milk, the moistness, Oh my gosh, let me add some of this. Let me add some more butter. More lime, honey lime butter to this. Oh, ho, ho. That did something to it even more. Guys, the soca music pumping up. Oh yes. This is really good. Very moist, very flavorful, not too sweet. Woo! Wow, wow, wow. Guys, this coconut cornbread is a must try. You gotta give this a shot. Look for the recipe in my community. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel. Like, share, and comment. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss one single episode. Until next time, cheers.